Friction with family members, particularly women, could prove irritating, especially since you're torn between their quirks and the love you have for them. This isn't the time to hold grudges, Capricorn. Let them go. You might feel the urge to do some home repairs, redecorate, or otherwise improve your home, or perhaps cook a great meal. Channel your energy into these activities instead of quarreling. You'll be glad you did. Subscribe to our channel and get your daily horoscope tomorrow to find out what the next day holds for you.